Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to update MIUI 11 to MIUI 12 on any Xiaomi Redmi phones. Here is my Redmi Note 7 Pro. First we need to download the MIUI ROM. Go to this link, it is xdadevelopers.com. In total there are 36 Xiaomi Redmi phones for which you can download the MIUI 12 ROM. You can either download the recovery ROM or fast boot ROM. For my Redmi Note 7 Pro, I have downloaded the Indian variant of recovery ROM. These are beta stable builds. So if you are a beta developer, then only you can directly install from the updater app. Go to settings and click on about phone and click on system update and click on the three dots. If you are not getting the choose update package, you need to tap on the 11 logo, and after that you need to click on the three dots and choose update package, and you need to select the MIUI 12 ROM only if you are a beta tester. If you are not a beta tester, you need to install the MIUI 12 ROM using the TWRP or custom recovery. I have already downloaded the MIUI 12 ROM, so to install it we need to turn off the phone first, and to enter the recovery mode we need to press the power button and volume up button. If you don't know how to install the TWRP, I made a separate video on how to install the TWRP. Now here you can see the TWRP. First thing we need to do is we need to click on wipe and click on advanced wipe. Under that you need to select the first 5 options: Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data. After selecting the 5 options, you need to swipe to the right to wipe, and after that click on the middle button. It will go back to the home screen. Now click on mount. You need to select vendor. Now go back. Now click on install and go to the location where you have downloaded the MIUI 12. For me it is in the downloaded folder. Here you can see that. Select the MIUI 12 and you need to swipe this arrow to the right to confirm flash. This process of flashing the ROM may take some time, so be patient. Here you can see that we have flashed the ROM without any error. After that you need to click on reboot system and you need to click on do not install. Now here you can see that Redmi logo. Since this is the first time, it may take some time. Now here you can see the MIUI 12 ROM. First we need to activate this device. Select language and select your region. I am going to skip this step. I will go to the setup process quickly. Okay guys, the phone has been booted up and here is the MIUI 12 user interface. Let's go to settings and check the version of MIUI. Here you can see that MIUI version 12. Here you can see that Android version 10. So that's it guys. In this way you can update MIUI 11 to MIUI 12 on any Xiaomi Redmi phones. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.